Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a bot where exactly like I do right here, where you can have your custom server for players to join anytime they like to a dedicated server just like that. Before beginning this tutorial, you have to make sure you have the latest Java installed. First things first, I left the download link over in the description below. Start by downloading this file. Once it's downloaded, find it in your folders app, go to your recent downloads, it should be right here. And I love to put it in my documents. Here you can see my other two servers. Here I have my city world. Go ahead and make a new folder, call it whatever you like. For this case, I'm going to do test server. I'm going to drag it on over the file I downloaded, the MCXboxBroadcast standalone file. Now open your terminal. Now do cd. Cd command opens your folders. Find your folder. You can find your path in properties. In this case, it is in my OneDrive documents. So I'm going to go back cd, which means open OneDrive documents. And then I'm going to do test server. I'm going to enter. So once I'm in the server, all I do is just run this command. Boom. Just like this. Next, it's going to have you go to the link listed right here, or you can just copy and paste it. Enter the code that is listed in your terminal. The code is right here. So I'm going to copy and paste. Now, I want you to just simply sign into an alternate account. I forgot to mention that this will be the account you will have members add you on. So just make the gamer tag short and simple. Once you sign into it, it'll say linked or whatever. And then you can come back here and then it will automatically authorize. Next, after you authorize, these three other files should pop up right here. Your config file is all you need to use here. Change the IP to your IP and your port. Here you can update all these following settings, such as should we automatically follow the people that follow us. So the initial invite is also what you want. So this allows people, as soon as they add the account, it will add them back and invite them to the game. Change the name of this to whatever you want. Just make sure you leave your quotation marks. Pretty simple. And then just make sure you press exit and then press save. Reopen terminal, close it if you haven't already, do cd once again, open the folder, then run the command again, and it should work. So after I run the command for my other server, let everything load, and there it is, just like that.